Hi there, this is Igbo Online College. My name is Edith Nwobu. Today we are going to look at vowels in Igbo. Vowels in Igbo. Now, I want you to note these vowels because they will help you in word formation. In Igbo, it is consonant, vowel in the word formation. All right. We have 36 alphabets of the Igbo language. 36 alphabets. I hope you've seen my video on how to pronounce the Igbo alphabet. Please, if you've not done so, go and watch the video. I'll put the link up here so that you'll be able to watch the video and learn how to pronounce the Igbo language very well. All right, I said that in the Igbo language, we have 36 alphabets. 8 of these alphabets are vowels, while 28 are consonants. Let me briefly talk about the consonants before I delve into the vowels. There are alphabets of Igbo that have 2 letters. They are digraphs. You use 2 letters to produce a sound. When you want to write them where they should be capitalized, it is only the first one and not the 2 that should be capitalized. They are 9 in number. Let's go ahead with the vowels. We have 8 vowels. The 8 vowels are A, E, I, O, U, O. These are the 8 vowels. Now, these 8 vowels are further divided into 2. The A group and the E group. Why are they divided? They are divided because these 2 groups, when you are spelling in Igbo, when you are constructing sentences in Igbo, they select from their groups. They select from their groups. Each letter selects from its group to form words or sentences. Now, there is a strong vowel harmony in Igbo. That is why you need to learn the vowels, not only learning the vowels, but learning the groups, the vowel groups. Okay, I said that we have A group and E group. The A group is made up of A, E, O, and O. They are 4. The other group is E group. It is made up of E, I, O, and U. These are the 2 groups of vowels we have in Igbo. Now, I want you to take note of them because they are going to help you when you start forming Igbo words. In our next class, I'm going to teach you how to form Igbo verb roots. So if you note this and the consonants, they will help you a whole lot in forming the Igbo verb roots. And take it from me that when you have mastered the formation of various verb forms from the verb roots, you have mastered the Igbo language because it is a verb language. That was a quick one and I hope it helps. This is the end of today's video. Please give us a thumbs up if that was helpful and subscribe if you haven't done so. Please make sure you share my videos with your friends and family. Oh, dalo, que me sea.